Welcome to Best Car Fixes 2019 Toyota Highlander. This car is good. It got hit here. What is the fix? First, quick, you need to get the rear, you need to get the trunk, and then you need to get a quarter panel. Here in this place, when you get hit, this is a fuel pump control module. This car equipped with a fuel pump control module that coming here. The wire was cut, the car doesn't want to start. So if you need to get this piece here, I give you the example of it. What they get it here is like this. You see here, this is the piece, the quarter panel that get hit. Don't forget to get this one with it, because this piece here is cost almost $1,000, 700 something, because the other one is cut. Also, that module that you see it from outside, they call it a fuel pump control module, and it's located here. You see, you have 3 big wire, and those people when they take it out, they just put it like that. And this clip, it could be from a hybrid car, because this one here is a hybrid car. You see, this is a ground for the cable, and this is a ground wiring ground here. Yes, so it will work fine. And this is a quick information. Thank you for watching.